Right. Okay. So this is the introduction or the background of this video towards where I'm going. There was a deal, investment deal signed between the government of Zimbabwe and Dangote Group or Dangote Company or Dangote Industry Limited yesterday and today in Zimbabwe. As I talk to you now, I am in Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe. So I'm saying there was an investment deal, investment agreement between the government of Zimbabwe and Dangote Group or Dangote Industry Limited or Dangote uh, Global. They signed a deal to the tune of US 1 billion. So Dangote or Mr. Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian billionaire, a Nigerian businessman, Nigerian entrepreneur, a Nigerian industrialist coming from West Africa, from his country, Federal Republic of Nigeria, coming to Zimbabwe. So he came to Zimbabwe yesterday, and now even today, he's still in Zimbabwe because of this deal, because of this investment agreement that he did with the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So they signed a deal for him to invest more than 1 billion US dollars in the economy of Zimbabwe, in the country or nation of Zimbabwe. So now I want to talk about the details of that deal, the details of that investment agreement. So when he came from Nigeria, he came straight to Harare and he went straight to the state house to see the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. That time in a private meeting, but then after that private meeting, there were lot, there were discussions that were done in that private meeting. So after that private meeting, there was a signing ceremony, and that signing ceremony was attended by the president and senior government officials, senior government ministers of the Zimbabwe government, and Dangote himself and his entourage or his delegation. So that signing ceremony was done by Professor Mutule Ncube, Finance Minister of Zimbabwe, on behalf of the Zimbabwean government, and Mr. Aliko Dangote signed that agreement on paper representing his company, Dangote Global or Dangote Group or Dangote Industries Limited, to invest in Zimbabwe to the tune, to the mark or to the peg of $1 billion. So these are the details. Is going to That money is going to be channeled towards cement manufacturing. That money going to be channeled towards building a regional oil refinery. And that oil and other refined petroleum products are going to be piped using a transnational pipeline from Walvis Bay Port in Namibia via Botswana into Zimbabwe. So this is part of the deal to establish an oil refinery and to establish fuel infrastructure development. Again, he intended to build a fertilizer plant in Zimbabwe, a coal mine in Zimbabwe. He intends again to establish a power generation station in Zimbabwe. Power generation station, a coal mine, in order to help the electricity supply of Zimbabwe. So this is another detail, or this is another move that is to be done by Mr. Aliko Dangote, the Nigerian businessman, as they signed in that deal, in that agreement with the government of Zimbabwe, as presided by President Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So it all comes down, or it all boils down to manufacturing cement, manufacturing fertilizer in Zimbabwe, establishing a cement plant in Zimbabwe, establishing a fertilizer plant, establishing a coal mine in order to help on electricity, establishing a power generation station in Zimbabwe, again establishing a regional oil refinery that is to transport fuel and transport refined petroleum products from Walvis Bay Port in Namibia through Botswana into Zimbabwe. So these are the details of that deal. These are the details of that agreement between the government of Zimbabwe and Mr. Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. As for his profile, he's well known across Africa, is the richest man in Africa, a Nigerian billionaire, a Nigerian industrialist, a Nigerian entrepreneur, a Nigerian businessman. Then finally, I can say a Nigerian investor, because this is the purpose of him coming to Zimbabwe, to explore investment opportunities in Zimbabwe. This Nigerian man, Mr. Aliko Dangote, and his delegation, they came to Zimbabwe and they met with the president. Although discussions have been ongoing from way back or from long back, but it finally materialized yesterday and today in Harare, Zimbabwe. So there'll be fertilizer locally produced in Zimbabwe. There'll be cement locally produced in Zimbabwe. There's gonna be oil and refined petroleum products locally produced in Zimbabwe. There's gonna be a lot of power, electrical power, generated or produced locally in Zimbabwe as fruits of this investment deal, as fruits of this investment agreement between government of Zimbabwe and Mr. Aliko Dangote. Cement, fuel, petroleum products, fertilizer, electrical power, or rather, let me say electricity. You understand? And again, even to develop the local infrastructure, it may be road or bridges, is also part of this deal. And some of the details that I need to tell you to to help in infrastructure development, construction, engineering of roads, construction, engineering of bridges, from one town to the other, from one city to the other, is also part of this deal, part of this agreement between Mr. Aliko Dangote, richest man in Africa, richest black man, and the government of Zimbabwe, led by the one and only Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. I'm done talking. What are your comments? What are views? What are opinions on what I've said? Drop, type, right in the comment section, in the comment box. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. Others, for now, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.